If you take a sponge and dip it in water or any liquid, it will absorb that liquid. It does not have the ability to differentiate between different liquids. Whatever liquid it is soaked in, it will instantly absorb that liquid, be it water or any other liquid. On the other hand, if you look at a filter paper, if you pour any liquid on that filter paper, then it absorbs some of the we can say solid particles from the liquid, and it allows the remaining liquid to pass away. So basically, filter paper has that ability to differentiate what it should retain and what it should let go. Whereas the sponge does not have that ability. It just absorbs any liquid in which it is soaked. So my friends, always be like filter paper and never be like a sponge, because there are 10 people around you who will give you 10 advices. So you should have that ability to differentiate or decide which advice is good for you and which advice is not good for you, which is correct, which is not correct, which is applicable for your life, for your own journey, and which is not applicable. Which advice you should retain and apply in your life, and which advice you should simply let go because it is not applicable or not useful for your life. Even though it may have been given with a good intention by the other person, but if it is not applicable to you for your own personal journey, you are not supposed to apply it in your life. But to decide that, to determine which is applicable, which is not applicable for your life, you should have that filtering capacity, which can filter out what is good for you, what is actually useful for you, and what is not. So friends, always be like filter paper and never be like a sponge.